So, B5. Okay, so negative 18. Let me see number 6. Negative 72 over 3x minus 4 cube. Okay, so negative 9. Yung number 7, so we get teka, negative 144 to, di ba? Yung number 7. Times 3 minus 5 to negative 3. So, so negative 144. Tapos, the next is 2. So, may nalaglag na negative sign lang. Okay. Ngayon, tingnan ko yung number 8. So, for A, 5x squared plus 3 over x to the fourth, 2x minus 3 over x squared. Yung B naman, 8b. So negative 4x over 3, 2x squared minus 5 to the 3 halves. Okay. Tingnan ko yung C. 1/3, 1 plus 2 over, bakit x plus 2x to the negative 2/3? Okay. Ano yung derivative ng x plus 2 over x? Parang may sign. Hindi. I think tingnan mo yung transition from second equation to last. May sign error.
Yes.
So, dapat minus 1 minus 2 over x squared. Okay. Ngayon, letter D naman. Tingnan ko naman. So, 2x squared plus 7, that make cube. So, 3 halves. Tapos, negative 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, negative 12x plus 7 times 3 is 21. Sige. Okay. Check ko yung number 9 naman. So, yung derivative, x minus 2 over square root of x squared minus 4x plus 8. And then, y equals 2. The coordinates of the point on the curve at which the derivative is 0 is 2, 2. Okay. Yung number 10, patingin.
Yung number 10
Na,
po,
ano po, number 11 po ang ginawa ni Joshua.
nagkakamali po yung number 10. Gagawin ko lang po yung number 10.
11.
Yeah, sorry. Yung
Yung 10 po mali.
ano nangyari sa so yung number 10, ano nangyari?
Nagmamali po. Nami ako na po yun. Ayun na po.
Okay, pwede nga na. Paki-attempt yung, I think pakigawa ng for A. So number 10 tayo muna. So y is equal to A plus A over 2 plus bx. So, constants A and B.
Uh,
So, ano yung magiging strategy dito?
uh, at 1, 1, y will be 1 and the next will be 1. So A and B will have a direct correlation. At hindi, actually yung derivative na lang. Derivative of uh, A over 2 plus BX. Tapos po yung
Hindi,
3
ito.
fifths substitute. And then
Hindi,
substitute
pakisulat.
yung correlation kanina. Okay. Y equals
Sige, pwede pakisulat lang nung derivative.
ah,
So, at 1, 1, what equation can you get? Sige.
at 1, 1.
Okay.
Uh,
Tapos, yung derivative naman, so, una, ano yung dy dx muna?
dy dx equal to negative
Okay.
yes. So if A is equal
So,
to
negative
2
AB.
plus 3
So, ano yung equation na makukuha? 3/5 is equal to
so
kaya huwag ka munang dumiretso dyan. Isulat mo muna in terms of A. A and B. Ano to yung usually mas mabuti na isulat mo siya in terms of two variables para makita mo kung anong klaseng system. And then, that's when you decide kung ano yung strategy for dealing with it. Teka. At 1, 1, di ba? So, dapat 2 plus B yung denominator. So 2 plus B squared na lang. Ayan. Okay. Tapos draw a vertical line para magamit mo yung katabing space. Yeah. Okay. So, ngayon, ang pwedeng gawin dito, ano yung substitution na, pwede kasing mag-substitute ka, or, sige, kung magsa-substitute ka, ano yung substitution na gagamitin mo?
A equals 2 plus B.
Okay, so, ganito, lagyan mo ng equation number yung bawat equation dito sa first column. Kasi, para masabi ko ano yung substitution na ginawa, it's better to refer to your equation number. Then 4. Okay, so yung next na so from what equations, so anong i-eliminate mo? In 2, 4. Okay. And then,
Ah, I think kaya nagkakamali po ako is 2 minus B. Saan ko yung nakuha yung minus? Nag-change po ng, nalaglag po ng,
iba niya po yung,
nalaglag po yung sign.
dinagdagan niya ng negative sign po.
Hindi, natanggal yung isang line sa positive, kaya naging negative.
So okay. So nagkaroon kayo ng sign error just sa point na yan.
Opo.
Sign error po.
6 plus 3. So, B is equal to... Ayun, tama na. Tama na to. Tapos ang A is 2 plus B. May A na. A is equal to 2 plus B. Signal to 1.
Okay.
Para sa ano sa book.
So A is 5. Yeah, 2 minus 3/4, okay, 5/4 or 1 and 1/4. Ngayon, pag tingnan mo yung key, ang makukuha mo, may sagot na A equals 4 and B equals 2. Aside from yung 5/4 and negative 3/4.
Opo.
Anong, so paano yun? Ano yung,
Saan kaya galing yan?
hindi,
Baka,
ganito. Check mo. Substitute mo yung A equals 4, B equals 2 sa Y. And then see what happens. Does it satisfy the conditions? Ito, sige. So, kasi issue natin ay hindi lumabas yung second solution. So, what we'll do is we'll check, is this yung A equals 4 and B equals 2 ba? Is also a solution?
2 plus 2. Yes. So,
Y equals, so check natin. 2, B is, A is 4, so 4 over 2 plus 2x. So simplify natin ng konti. So y is equal to, kasi may common factor naman. Okay, ngayon, check natin, satisfied ba na does it pass through 1, 1? Okay, ngayon, anong derivative ng y?
derivative ng y. Hindi ko na po natin.
Okay, ngayon, when x is 1, napoproduce ba na the gradient at that point is 3/5?
Plus 1. No. Hindi po.
So, hindi. So, mali yung key. So, ito lang yung sagot. A equals 5/4 and B equals negative 3/4. Ano yan eh? That's one way to check kung tama eh. So, ninote ko kasi na napansin ko may error. Kasi if you actually substitute and then get the derivative and check, hindi satisfied yung conditions. So, mali yung key.
Technically po, kasi parang I think, lalabas po nito quadratic. Parang siguro it will come up na ganun, may ganun din po. Pero pagka dinerivative niyo po, hindi siya 2/5.
At saka ano, yung, I think yung isa pang issue ay, yung B dito, pag tingnan mo yung second solution is not, kung actually may isa pang solution. It's not A equals 3, sorry, A equals, ano yun, yung sinabi ng key, A equals 4, B equals 2. Sige, balik tayo dun sa ano, bakit nag-expect tayo ng quadratic, di ba? So,
Opo.
punta ka dun sa ano, tingnan mo yung, balik tayo dito sa, hindi ko ma-share eh. Pero punta ka sa second column, yung first equation. Huwag magmadaling mag-cancel.
Yan yung 5.
Sa second
Naman pala po hindi rin pala nagka-cancel. Kasi what if yung 2b is 0?
So, kung 0 over 0. So, what do you get from... So,
If 2
para
plus
ma-figure
b
out natin yung 0 over 0 case, multiply both sides by b plus 2 square.
Next question na po.
next page.
No.
3/5.
3/5. Okay, lagyan na. 3/5 then is equal to ano? 2 negative 2 plus b negative 2. Negative 2 plus b x 2 plus b mm.
So, kung may nakukuha kang b equals negative 2, no? Ano yung corresponding value ng a? Actually, ang lalabas niyan ay... Anyway, if b is equal to negative 2, a is 0. So, ang mangyayari, y equals...
Y equals y. Y is 2 over 2 plus 0. Y no? 0 over... dapat 0.
0 din. So, may problema din yung solution na yan. Kasi, balik tayo sa first equation. Bakit extraneous yung 2 plus yung second solution na yan? In the first place, pag tingnan mo yung yung expression, may 0 over 0 tayo. Tingnan mo yung equation ulit. Yung starting equation na nung second, yung next page. Sorry. Tingnan mo yung next page. Yung starting equation natin na para makuha yan. So, may 2 plus b square and 2 plus b square tayo sa denominator. To be able to multiply both sides by 2 plus b square, merong restriction na dapat non-zero yan. So, flawed din yung method. So, hindi talaga siya permissible operation. So, talagang yung appropriate, yung gagana lang talaga sa case na yan, yung first, so isang solution lang talaga siya. And that's A equals
Dapat po naayos po yan sa later edition.
So, hindi pa pwede. Okay, so yung next, yung sa number 11 naman. Nagawa mo na ba yung number 11?
Opo.
Yung iba po. Sulat na siya.
Okay? So, hindi ko na papasimplify. Okay na yan. Factored form. Yung sagot sa book, naka-rearrange lang yan pero it's still the same. Okay. Tapos, hindi talaga legit na mag-equate ka ng ddx to something. Tawagin mong y yung expression. Para dy dx.
Wala po talagang DTX. Monkey.
Okay. Yung derivative nung nasa loob, yan. So, wala na.
Maganda lang po sa month.
Actually, okay na yan. Pwede mo i-combine into a single fraction. Pero, wala nang simplification talaga dyan. So, 2ax plus b all over yung square root all over 2 square root or pwedeng iwan mo siya in that form. Sige, letter C naman. Okay. And then, konting simplification. Kasi, pwede pa naman.
1, tapos yan ito. Sino ba sila? A square minus 2x. Yun na ba?
Ayan. Okay, letter D naman. Okay. And then, simplify pa ng konti.
Negative 1 over x over
Teka, check lang kung may nalaglag kang terms.
x squared 2x.
Sa pagkuha mo ng derivative. Tingnan mo yung may factor of 2 ka dun sa simula, di ba?
Yes. So, 2
Saan natin tayo?
Fish. Tapos nilagyan natin ito. Yes.
And, okay, anong effect niyan dyan sa final answer? Yan. So, negative 2x. Okay, yung letter E naman.
Speech.
Ito mo din. Magawa na to. Ito mo lang. The fifth.
Ito lang yung question mo. So, the fifth ba talaga yan?
Abo. Ano fifth eh?
And ax plus bx to the b over x to the fifth. Okay.
Ang taba. B minus bx equal to s. So this is that is that.
Okay. Yung letter F naman.
Ano yung time remaining? Time remaining. Ano yung time remaining? Sige. Sige. Yung ability ng mga 2 minutes per wala. To the fourth. Sige. Again is was supposed to be So, anong lalabas na ito? Ayun na. Sobrang hirap mag-expand.
Okay. Common factors na pwedeng mailabas.
Common factor. Ah, yes. Hindi ba mo?
Okay. Ngayon, yung next na gagawin ay nasa yung practice now 6. Pero before you do that, at least mabilis lang na pag... teka, nasimulan mo na ba yung practice now 6 or hindi pa?
Simulan na mo.
Kasi, so yung product rule, yung mnemonic ay left D right plus right D left.
Abo.
So, kung ano na yan, ito. So, yung mnemonic na ano, left, D, right, left, LDR kasi, plus RDL. Kaya left, D, right, plus right, right, D, left. Or,
Medyo
kung
po mataas
product,
yung
left,
po.
D, F, and G.
Medyo po mataas yung papel.
Yeah, so, sorry, yeah.
Ay,
Ayun, yun po.
So, left, D, right, plus right, D, left. Yan yung mnemonic. Or, yung pwede mo isulat na, so yung left, F, D right, G, DX, plus yung right, G, DF, DX.
Mm.
So ganyan ko siya tinatandaan.
Paano po yung
So
susulat
yung
kung dalawa?
exercise dito, ano yan?
Paano po yung sulat kung kasi po yung chain rule? Dalawa pong composite function siya. Paano niyo po isusulat yun sa parang Leibniz notation?
Sa, sorry, sulat yung F of G of X. Ito yung isang ano eh. Di ba yung sa notation na to, pag chain rule, F of G of X, df dg
Ay,
times dg dx.
Ah,
Ganyan.
so df over dx lang po yung lalabas pag sinulat.
Ano yan?
Para masulat na po, df over dx na lang, hindi po df dot g over dx.
kasi,
Ano, teka, chain, ito yung pinag-usapan natin, no, yung chain rule.
Abo.
May,
So,
ano,
derivative niyo po yung composite function, which is f po in this case. df over dx na po, wala po dfg over x. Df
ito yung, ang ibig sabihin nito, get the derivative of composite function. Ito, treat the composite function as a function of g, differentiate with respect to g, and then differentiate g with respect to x. Paano siya may outer derivative and inner derivative?
Abo.
So, ano yung mga examples? Di ba yung example natin, yung power?
Abo.
Diba? Let's say, ito yung y. Pag nag-chain rule tayo, yung labas muna, so 7 times 2x to the 4th plus 1, 6. And then, ito yung g. Ang derivative niyan, 8x cubed. So, ito yung part na df dg. Ito yung dg dx. Kasi ito yung i-treat natin as g. Yung pong something to the 7th.
Wala pa ng dfg dx. Abo.
Anyway, okay na?
Okay na po.
Sige. So, pag product naman, yung mnemonic ay lefty, right, righty, left. And the best way to, I think, to remember that is by actually doing some exercises. Ano kasi, malapit ng anong tag dito? 1 minute 25 seconds lang bago mag-end eh. So, ang ano lang, pwedeng mag-stop tayo dyan and then reconnect and then we'll continue.
Apo.
Abo.
Yeah. So habang hinihintay natin yung gusto kong i-attempt muna yung practice now 6, letter A. And then let me see your work.
End na po natin.
Or less than 1 minute.
Sige, end na lang.
So, pwedeng patingin lang na. So, ito. So, lefty, right.
Practice ng sus po.
Pwedeng so, simplify so that yung final answer ay in factored form.
Okay. So, may extra pa muna na 3-factor. Contavious Dingleton.
Baka pwede mo pag-review.
Sige. Not that hard naman.
4x plus 7 to the 5th.
Oo nga.
And then two times 3 is 9.
Nice.
Teka ha. 2x plus 7 to the 5th, 7x minus 1 times 8. Okay. Actually, kaya mapapansin mo, yung usual, yung hinihinging sagot usually in factored form. Kasi, yung importanteng question na typical na sinasagot kapag kumuha kang derivative, kailan nagsi-zero yan? In factored form, it's easy to read. Nagsi-zero yung derivative kapag 1/7 and negative 7 over 2. Okay. So, yung next, yung letter B naman. Again, simplify so that your final answer is in factored form.
The previous page. Kailangan blue yan, it's not B. Para sa ano, I think, V yata eh. Anyway. Yun sa importante sa ano naman, frequency sa wavelength. Kasi constant. Kailangan eh. Good practice na yun. Tananatan, tananatan. Oops. Mm, mm, concave bingo. Mm, 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 mm. It's a mystery number. A secret number we will get to use later.
Mhm.
The previous Bingleton.
Instead of using X, dapat nu yan. Yung
Ano
derivative
po?
of BDX.
Ah, dito na ba?
So, dapat,
Nakalimutan ko pa
so
na
BD,
hindi ko na po ginagamit. Uh, I forgot. Oh, yes, okay. Minus 1 over 2 square root of 5 over plus 4 minus 5. So I forgot is gonna be 5, 5. Nice. Okay. Quandale Dingle mourns on the recent passing of the previous Dingleton. And mistake.
wait,
The hold up movement.
so,
Mm.
twice times in factored form siya.
Oh no. In factored
Ito,
form.
yung hindi nag-rationalize tayo ng square roots. Dito, hindi mo matatanggal yan eh. So, mag-anti-rationalize ka para may isang denominator ka na square root of 5 nu plus 4. So, yung second term, multiply by square root of 5 nu plus 4 over square root of 5 nu plus 4.
Huh. That's something po I never heard of before. Anti-rationalization.
It's a made-up term. So, pero kasi yung natin rationalize, diba?
Ano?
Dito, kasi natin nasa denominator yung 5 square to 5 nu plus 4.
Uh, okay. Negative 10 square negative. Nice. Okay. Diba? Square root of. Square root of. Maybe. There, guys. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Alam mo kung
Mm-hmm.
paano combine with fraction, di ba?
The queen is being noted. 16. There. So now, may the combining begin. Okay, I'll just mix. 15 negative.
Next line. Wag mo na, ang dapat na ginagawa mo para makita yung ano, pag nagsisimplify ka line, huwag yung nagsisimplify ko on the same line.
Plus. Queen. It makes it much better to see. It's readable. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm-hmm.
Ngayon, just ano lang, um, alam mo yung ano, yung advantage ng writing using pen versus using a whiteboard.
Ano ba?
Kung gumagamit ka ng pen kasi, kailangan mong magsulat para sa simplification, you have to go to the next line. Ang common mistake ng teachers, or yung nakikita ko, nagbubura sila on the same line. So, yung students, hindi makita yung flow ng simplification na ginagawa. Kaya ano yung nagbubura ka within the line. Instead, go to the next line and do the simplification there.
I will now prevent the possible erasure.
So,
Gawa
kaya tingnan mo, kaya usually kaya pag sinusulat ko yung solutions work ko in pen, papansin mo, hindi ako next line talaga yung kailangan mag-simplify. Eh, madumi pag binawa mo doon eh.
Opo.
And you can trace, okay, ang ginawa ko from going from here to here. So for example, tingnan mo yung second to third line. Hindi mo obvious pa paano ka nakarating from yung second term ng second line to the second term of the third line.
Third line. Ito.
sudden change.
So, paano mo ginawa ito?
Sige, put akong picture to, tapos padala ko sa messenger, tapos tingnan mo yung equation, yung solution ko sa B. So it's more of, if you do this, it makes it easier for you to trace ano yung ginagawa mo. Okay, ito yung itsura ng solution ko, so you can check.
Abo.
So nasa messenger,
Gusto.
so pakibukas na lang. Tapos point out ko lang yung mga equation, yung specific na equations. Okay, ngayon tingnan mo nabuksan mo na?
Opo.
So tingnan mo yung equation 4 to equation 5.
Equation 5.
Tapos yung second term yung second term. So nag-multiply, so dito hindi ko pinakita yung multiplication, pero alam ko na nag-multiply ako ng something to get. So instead of square root of 5 nu plus 4, I can express it as 5 nu plus 4 over square root of 5 nu plus 4. So yung step na yan, alam ko paano nangyari. Pag masyado kong maraming steps na binura, if you're using a whiteboard, yung transitions na ganyan, hindi mo na makita dun sa recorded work.
Opo.
So gusto mo na gusto mo ma-retain yung mga yan. Kaya ang advice ko talaga, don't erase. If you need to simplify, go to a new line.
Opo.
It's for your readability. Kasi ang daming simplifications na mini-mental. Tapos, and then later, pagka tinry mong i-reproduce, wala na.
Tsaka prone sa error na po, sir.
Tsaka ano mahirap, mas madaling mag-face ng error eh. Kasi makikita mo, okay, mali yung ginawa ko dito.
Opo.
Okay? So, teka. Wait, 5:30 na pala. So, yung magiging homework mo ay basahin mo yung work example 7, gawin mo yung practice now 7, and then simulan mo na yung exercise sa 11C. And then wait. Bukas tayo mag-tuloy. Bukas it's 4 to 5, no? Or 5 to 6? Check yung calendar ko.
5 to 6 po.
Okay, 5 to 6. So, hindi ko lang kung may oras ka to do that. Pero kung do what you can. So, work example 7, read it, and then yung practice now 7. And then we'll continue tomorrow.
Opo.
Ano yun? Depende sa how much time you have available. Kasi, ano bang subjects ang pinag-aaralan mo ngayon?
Bukas po meron po siyang computer science. 2 pong subject bago kayo po. Pero siguro makagawa po mamayang evening po para meron siyang magawa po na po. So,
Anyway, ang ano lang naman dyan ay do something. Kahit
opo.
tapos spread it out. Kasi mas yun eh, easier to figure things out pag kesa yung, di ba, isang bagsakan lang lahat within a short time span. Okay, so yun lang i-assign ko. Work example 7, practice now 7. And then if you have additional time, sige, you can continue with the set 11C.
Opo.
Teka, i-type ko na lang sa messenger and then we'll stop here.
Okay po.
So, homework. So read work example. Wait. This is chapter 11. So 11, work example 7, group 11, PM 7. Okay, so we'll stop here. I'll see you again tomorrow, 5 p.m. Bye-bye.
Thank you
Bye-bye
po.
po. Thank you po, sir.
Sige po. Bye-bye po.